everyone, hello Gemini, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your September monthly love readings, and being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. And this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so you could check those videos as well. First I will pull out your energies, 3 cards of your energies, then 3 cards from your person's energy, and then we'll see, I'll pull out cards for the connection. Overall energy, energies in September for your relationship. So first card, Gemini. This is your energy. To 10 of Swords, you are feeling burdened. You have worked hard a lot on your relationship. See, this is a card of feeling burdened. You're overburdened. You have been always messaging them, you have calling them, you are texting them, you are wanting to meet up. You are fulfilling all their expectations, your person's expectations, and you have been doing this for quite some time. So you are heavily burdened by these, and now you can feel the burden. Maybe your person is emotionally closed off, maybe they are not communicating. We'll take out those cards and we'll find out. But this is your energy. You are feeling that it's now you are about to break down, like it's like this is the end, last kind of a burden that you could take. It's from here it's always to a new cycle. So some of you might this is what I get, might leave this person, your person, and move to a new cycle, or but at present in September it shows that you are heavily burdened by their behavior, the way they are treating you, the way they have been behaving with you. It's really, it makes you sad, it makes you emotionally very drained and closed off. They you are also starting to feel as if whether to take this relationship forward or to maybe your clarity will come or not. So this is what I get. So for Gemini love September, Gemini love situation September, one more card, the Hermit. So inside you'll be thinking a lot, like what went wrong, how can it, how can you help this relationship. This card is of solitude again. This is a Virgo card, it's a Virgo season. This card pops out in so many readings because it's the Virgo season. It's like you may just be in solitude. You might not want to, some of you might just step back from your relationship. It's not a breakup, and you will try to find inner peace, inner wisdom kind of a situation. You will like let the situation be as it is, and start thinking, take a step back from that relationship, and you will wait. That is what I feel here. You will be waiting because you'll go silent. This is what I get here. You might go silent and waiting for the other person to react. This card also, it feels that of course this is a Virgo card, so you could be dealing with a Virgo, and you got an fire sign here, so it's Aries, Leo and Sagittarius you might be dealing with here. So also some of you might seek spiritual help, like you might visiting your places like worship to make this relationship work, or you might be asking the divine inner soul how to make things work. So this is like card of solitude. Some of you going silent and you're waiting for the other person to react and trying to find out reasons within yourself what happened to the relationship here, because you see this relationship not going anywhere. That is what I get here. One more card. I feel your partner is non-committal. This is what, because with Wands, and you feel that he might not, it's a non-committal situation. See, Hangman. So it's just after Hermit, it's a Hangman. So some of you are so overburdened with the 10 of Wands. You are just thinking, and you are just again trying to figure out things, what to do, whether to move forward, stuck. And this is like you are in that silent mode. You are not sending them messages anymore. You are not trying to communicate with them. You are instead waiting for them to contact you if they want to contact you. And also you are trying to think, you are just thinking, and I think so September will be a waiting time for so many of you here. You will not walk away also. This is what I get. Although you are overburdened, so you have the Hermit, you might not walk away. You may be still stuck to this situation. This is also a card of getting stuck. So you might still be stuck, but you will not do any action. You will go on a silent kind of a situation here, no contact kind of a situation here. Now let me see your person's energy. So Gemini's person's energy. 10 of Pentacles. So I think this card is like 10 of Pentacles. It's about overall, this is your person. Maybe your person is working towards his career, his money is his focus, love is not a priority. This is coming just below your first card, the first card of your person. So why do you feel this no contact, no response from them? Is that they have been busy working on their money situation, their career, their job. That is their priority now. Love has taken a step back for some of them here, and your person is very much into making money for rising in career and putting all the effort there. This is what I get. 10 of Pentacles also could show maybe they still have feelings for you here, but the priority is money, the priority is career now. They are just heavily thinking about their career. Another card, your person's, the Chariot. So it's moving forward. So I think some of your person might be, see, this is the Chariot card, it's a Cancer card here. So some of your person, it indicates two things. So some of your persons might just move away from this relationship. They will be moving forward with their career, their money situation, or some other situation here. This is what I feel. Maybe they are at a distance and you are also at a, there is a distance. So this talks about moving forward, this talks about they are in a successful space. I mean, they are in a happy space. They are not as bothered as you, because this is a card of balance. They are still having their balance. They are still maintaining the equilibrium. What I get here. And for another storyline, what I get here is that you are getting with the Hermit, this card just below the Hermit. So some of you, your person might reach out to you here. This is what, and your relationship might move forward here. Those who are in this Hermit mode, you are not sending any messages, you are not, so you might receive a message from them, and from there on your relationship will move forward in September here. So this is what I get here. You can see here. So it is like some communication coming, something will happen, and I think around mid-September, and things might move forward. Your relationship might move forward. So those who are in that Hermit mode, now one more card. Two of Cups. So good energy. I mean, this is Lover's card. This is Two of Cups. So emotionally fulfilling. Your person, this is about, now for some of you here, what I see is that your person is seeing someone else also. While you are in that rest position, this is below your card. So what I intuitively get is your person is seeing someone else. This is for very few of you again here. They are attracted to someone else. They are romancing someone else. They're spending time with someone else, and they are in the very lovey-dovey situation here. But this is your card, and for some of you here, what I get is that maybe you are thinking, and even here I see a forward movement of your relationship here, that your person might come to you with love, with their loving gestures, while you are still in that no contact and stuck mode, and this relationship will move forward from here. Their clarity will come. They will tell you about their issues, and maybe things will these things will be sorted out. The relationship issues will be sorted out around September end. This is what I feel here. This is what I get here. So some of you moving. Now let me just pull out a card for singles who are open to love. Of course I get here Two of Cups, so it shows that singles will also be finding new love here. but just let me pull out one card for singles, as I do not see any new beginnings here. So let me see. Okay, so singles here, that it seems that you are, I feel singles, you are not open to love right now. Those who have just broken up in your recent past, and you need to open up. It's like you are still going through your previous breakup, the baggages from your previous breakup. So you need to heal first, and then you need to move to a new relationship. With this card I get, with the Death card, I will pull one more card and see what it tells. Yeah, so it's about you having baggages. This is again for singles. I feel here that if you for now you need to heal from your previous relationship, whatever deception or whatever heartbreak you went through, and then there will be a like change in the situation. You will transform, there will be a transformation, and then you can move on. Then it will be easy to move on to a new person. This is what I get here, and this is it for September. I will just pull out an angel guidance card which will help you in your love life. Okay, Gemini, this is, I just looking at, I'm not, so there is also a Taurus person you could be dealing with. There's Cancer, there is this again the Chariot card is a Cancer, there is Gemini, there is fire sign, there is a Virgo, and there is also Swords energy. So air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini here. Again a Gemini. So two Gemini and Cancers are most prominent here. Also there is a Taurus here. So angel guidance, enlightenment, pursue spiritual growth. So seek spiritual help, pursue spiritual growth, and you will get the blessings of the angel, and things will be fine. So this is it. Take care for now. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and till then stay blessed. Bye bye.